Well, following the bliss intimates to me of something external, and I'm sort of trotting off after, behind it. That's not the real nature of bliss. Bliss is within, and it expresses itself. Children don't go searching for happiness. They express it. What we do, by the time we're, say, 18, we are so miserable. We go looking for happiness in particular careers or in particular relationships. Let's just take a career. You ask people, why did you pick a particular career? And they say, because I thought I would find happiness in that career. Now, you can't find happiness in any career. They don't make careers like that anymore, right? There is no happiness. If you look at the specification of the job, it doesn't say bliss provided. It provides you with a desk and a lot of activities. But bliss isn't mentioned anywhere. The key is not to go searching for bliss, but to express bliss in everything. The idea is you start off blissful, not you end up blissful. The child is full of bliss, and that's why it enjoys everything. It brings its bliss out into the rain, the sunshine, the mud, the bath, everything. It brings its bliss everywhere, and it expresses it in everything. And if you just watch a child, that's what it's doing all the time. It turns everything into a blissful activity. There's no activity in the bliss itself. It's the child who's bringing it. You know, when a child comes up to you and it says, it's a little child and it's got one of these little plastic tea things, and it says, Dad, I'm going to make you a cup of tea. And you say, okay, we'll make it very strong. You know the way I like it strong. So it goes like this. And then you sip it and you say, look, it's a bit on the cold side, could you just reheat the kettle? And you play the game, right? And you say, no, don't forget to stir it clockwise, because it makes a difference. Now, try playing that game with an adult. And it's appalling. You know why? Because the adult is so miserable. Right? But with a child, you would do anything. With a person full of bliss, you do anything. So, don't go looking for bliss. Don't follow it. Don't go looking for it. Don't pursue it. Be blissful. Be blissful now. Nothing has to happen. That's the point. I know you don't believe me. Right? Nothing has to happen. You are blissful. Stop resisting it.